These evil children are creating a hiccup to torture Bikini Bottoms. After its release, the first victim is SpongeBob, who cannot even work because of the hiccups. So Mr. Krabs sends him home, but is infected with hiccups. It spreads to others until we see that it is not a simple hiccup. The whole town is alarmed.
Hiccup plague is real. Save yourselves!
But SpongeBob returns to be passed to him and then isolated away from everyone. But Sandy would go to look for him and then study him in his dome.
Boo!
Managing to free him from the hiccups with tickles, and he flies back to the evil children.